Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix TikTok messages not working or sending. If you're using TikTok and you're facing the issue that your TikTok app is not sending or receiving any messages, let's see how can you easily fix that issue. So the very first thing, you just have to make sure that you have a stable and a strongest network connection, or you can also try to enable and disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times to make a quick refresh with all of your network settings. Then go back from here and you just have to simply open your TikTok app. Now in your TikTok, just go to the inbox section and you just have to retry to send them a message. Or you have to also make sure that the person hasn't any restrictions like that if you're facing this type issue that your message request is sent. So you just have to wait until the other person accept your request, and after that you will be able to chat with them or send them a message. Or if you're still facing the same issue that your message is still sending or it's not being sent, so you just have to go back from here and you have to go to App Store or Play Store, go for search, and you have to simply search for TikTok, and you have to make sure that you haven't any pending update for your TikTok app. If you find any pending update here, try to update your app. After updating, go back from here and you have to retry if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed, so you have to go to your settings app. Here, go for general, go for iPhone storage, look for TikTok app, and you have to try to offload this app. Or if you're using an Android, so you have to try to clear cache files of your apps. So it will help you to fix bugs and error in your TikTok app. Not simply tap on offload app, then tap on this offload app option again. After offloading, you just have to reinstall the app, and once you have reinstalled, your issue will be fixed. If there will be any bug or any malware into your TikTok app, it will be fixed in this step and you will not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.